So the Base Borden Museum has a lot of nice vehicles. Here's a Hupp Chevy, and this one would be a Ford F-15A. This is the back of like a machine shop, and there's a dentist outfit there. Water tanks. It's actually pretty cool there. Here comes some universal carriers. I think it's a Mark 1 and a Mark 2. Pretty complete. And I've got some pictures of the underside. Someone was saying in the comments that they thought that was a great idea. Just shows the protection of the exhaust. It's kitted out pretty good. It's probably a veteran or someone who wanted to bring one back to life and donated it. In the event they needed to move something out of their garage, put it in the museum. That's a great idea. Some good rubber there on that tire on the front. Blackout headlights. Yeah. Here's the underside. And shows the routing of the exhaust and the Timken axles, Ford Timken axles. Looks pretty rusty there, but access hatch in the bottom. There's details in the front with lots of kit. Shutters, controls. This one looks pretty good. It's pretty clean. Yeah, this is nice. Drive those suckers away, eh?